We are live. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to your side, Reham. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever part of the world you are. It's Mafi again. Welcome to my Go Live interview series. And we are business owners here, and we connect with each other through online. So I would like to introduce to you my guest for today, and thank you for this opportunity to be my guest in my business page. And I would like to welcome you, Reham. Reham is from United Kingdom, and Reham, good evening. Although maliwanag pa sa likod mo, 7
Yeah.
p.m. and their side, United Kingdom. So without further ado, Reham, can you tell us about yourself?
Okay. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. Have a blessed day to all of you, to all the beautiful and amazing people who are tuning in, and the one who's gonna watch the replay of this live. Thank you for this opportunity, Mafi, and I'm grateful to share the stage with you. Another inspiring online digital business owner from Arizona, USA. That's
Thank
how
you.
global we are. My
Yeah.
name is Raham, coming to you from UK. And like what you said, it's only 7 p.m. in UK and still very bright behind
Mhm.
me. That's the way it is in here. It's summertime. That's why
I
it's like
see.
that.
Mhm.
And we are grateful for the nice weather. I've been a nurse in United Kingdom for 23 years. Yes, I'm
Wow.
a proud Filipina. Mabuhay.
Mhm.
Magandang araw sa lahat. Assalamualaikum to all my Muslim brother and sister. I speak in different languages, but most of all, I
Wow.
speak from the heart. Just like many of you, I also wear different hat. I'm a mom of two beautiful teenagers and a wife of Jeffrey and mentor in this incredible online business community. Thank you. Back to you.
Yeah, so you're a nurse. What inspired you to become a nurse?
Yes, it is a long story, but I'll make it. I promise I'll make it more quick. I'm born and raised in Mindanao, Philippines, and now based in United Kingdom for 23 years. And I'm also as growing up in a simple family. I witnessed the first and the sacrifices of my parents just to put food in the table and to send us to school. I'm actually adopted by my auntie, which is a sister of my dad, because we
Mm,
are nine siblings. We're nine in the family, and I
wow.
don't think my parents can afford to send me to school. As you know, it's not cheap to go university
Yeah.
as a nursing student for 4 years. That time, way back on my time, my parents could not afford that, and we're grateful that my auntie was always the breadwinner in their family, send me to school to do nursing. It life was not easy back then. We didn't have much, but we had each other, and that taught me the value of hard work, resilience, and most of all, try to harder to help my siblings with their education. I never use our not having a money to not to finish my school. Instead, I used that to inspire me to finish my schooling. I choose to become a nurse because I want to make a difference, and I think even my mom always telling me that from the nine of us, I'm always the one wanted always a different thing, and also to earn more is to that way back then to earn more is to as a nurse in the Philippines, you let's face it, it's not a good money. So the only way to earn more is to go abroad.
Yeah.
And way back maybe 2003, that time everybody is going abroad to earn more and help their family, and that is my one way of helping my siblings and send my siblings to school. um nursing career for me, it is like a calling for me. It gave me
Mm-hmm.
the chance to serve, to care, and to be blessed, to be a blessing to others, and obviously with my family as well. But I realized I was giving so much of myself and missing out of my own life and family. I was tired, I was burnt out, and longing for more. not just for me but for my children. I wanted a freedom, a financial stability, a peace of mind, and ability to be present while still providing for my loved ones. So I did not see being a breadwinner for my family back home is a responsibility. I always
Yeah.
consider it as a privilege. Why? Because not everyone is blessed to help. My sibling, I helped them to finish bachelor degree, and all of them finished that
Wow.
because they finished their education because of me, and I'm proud to say that. And for me, that's the real wealth: seeing your siblings, being successful because
Mhm.
you contributed to that. And that, yeah, that's my nursing career.
Yeah. So as you said, working as a nurse in the Philippines is not, ano tawag dun? I remember my sister, she came from Saudi Arabia, and then
Yeah.
before going to USA, she waiting for her visa. She worked in the Philippines. She said to me that you're working hard, but the pay is not worth it, right?
Yes,
So
true.
hindi ako naninira, but it's true.
It
So
is. It is.
yeah,
It's a
yes, it is
reality.
true. Reality, yeah. So we are all business partners, we're global business partners here. So as a nurse, you have a good paying job. What made you decide to explore the digital business world, and what do you love most about being a digital entrepreneur?
Yeah, thank you for that question. It's a beautiful question. Thank you for that. I step into a digital business world because I reached to the point in my life where I feel stuck. I was, like what I said, 23 years being a nurse in United Kingdom. People might think that you're already stable.
Mm-hmm.
I was exhausted, and honestly, I was heartbroken watching life pass by while I was too busy working endless shifts and missing family moment, and putting my own dreams on the back of the burner. As a nurse, I love caring for others. I love what I do, but deep down, I was craving a life where I could care for my own family without limitation, emotionally, physically, and financially. That will truly push me as a realization. If nothing changes, nothing changes.
Mm-hmm.
I actually started when my dad was very ill last year, more than a year actually. He was been in and out in the hospital, and can you imagine? How I'm mentally, physically, and emotionally and financially drained. And like what I said, I always been the breadwinner in my family, and I don't think I could sleep without helping my dad and knowing that I could do something. So I ended up working so many hours and forgetting that I'm also got a family, I got children to raise. So that was my wake up call. It's big time. It really make me realize that I need to change something. I can't continue doing the same thing. I was scared to start, of course, because like what I said, I don't have any background about businesses. I'm not a tech savvy at all.
Mm-hmm.
I was scared of failing. What if I failed? What if I will not learn these things? But to be honest, I was clueless about technology, online stuff. I was scared of a scam. But what was even more terrified for me if I stay stuck in life where my
True.
days look the same. I was asking myself if this happened again to my family, to my mom. I can't do go through with that again to choose between earning or I have to work to send back home to help my dad hospitalization bills. So that make me to I said, my why is so strong to say, even though I don't know what I'm doing, even though in the beginning I was overwhelmed,
Mm-hmm.
I took that leap of faith, and I found this system through a mentor who also worked in Canada as a mom. So I resonate with her story that inspired me so much and say, if she can do it, of course I can do it too. and she was introvert as well. Believe me or not, Mavi, I'm an introvert
Same with me.
person. And now looking at me talking in the camera, it is big, also already a big achievement for me, and I'm so proud of myself because I don't really like this. And the reason my business page is named Raham and Jeffrey because I don't have Facebook when I started this business. So this Facebook account is actually belong to my husband. So because I really wanted to start the business, I told my husband that shall we use your Facebook account to start the business, because that's how what I am. I don't really like posting things in
Your
Facebook.
face.
It's very rare. You can count in your fingers for me to. I don't like, my husband does, but not me. So we're opposite. So the what I love most about being a digital entrepreneur is the freedom with purpose. No, this
Mhm.
business really surprised me so much. My goal that time when I started this business is just to earn at least 500, 600 pounds so that I can send every month to to my aging parents back home, because most of my siblings are already finished school, so I'm only thinking about my aging parents, their maintenance, medication, their checkup, their food, and obviously their electric bills and all that. But they really surprised me saying that, oh my god, it's too much. It's a lot of potential, this business. And like what I said, I was looking for something that I can earn without sacrificing my family time, because that time I was already drained, working so many hours, and still stuck in the same place. So it's the freedom with the purpose to help others as well, the freedom to create opportunity, not just for yourself but for others. And the biggest joy is watching people who also once felt hopeless and stuck, but you inspire them, to make them realize that actually they can do the same. They can build that confidence and reclaim the time with their family, and live the life of their own terms, and it's priceless.
Mhm.
People that are also not being in this business might thinking we're just exaggerating it, but to be honest, I was not expecting this as well in the beginning. I don't know if you can relate, but as we go to our mastermind every single week and hear these real stories from our business partners around the community, it really inspires you so much that, oh my god, I found my calling. I was thinking before, oh, my calling is being a nurse, but then I said, oh, I surprised me that I can do different thing aside with being a nurse. So for me, that's already a bonus. So
Mhm.
this business is not just about the income, it's about the impact. And I will forever be grateful for the courage that fair in me, that overworked version of me that found to say yes to this journey. And I know every day I wake up excited that I know
Yeah.
that I can help others too.
Yeah, wow. So really, so as you said, you're introvert. I'm also introvert. So yeah, yeah, I remember when I'm really shy that even in my relatives say that I really changed a lot. So sometimes I remember one person, my credible ask question to me, one answer, one question, one answer. That's how am
Answer.
I. Really introvert. So this is online business, right? So we run it through social media, and we are global. So people often worry they're gonna be too late or to start, or the market is too saturated. What would you say to this?
I love this topic, and if you remember, I did make a reels or video about
Yeah,
this and
yeah,
posted it into our community Facebook account, isn't it?
yeah.
Because I really love talking about that, because me myself, I can relate on that one. It's one of the biggest lies that we always tell ourselves, and I say this with so much heart because I believe it too. But here's the truth: you're never too late, and there's always a room for you when you lead with heart and authentic, being authentic. You show the world who you are. And like what everybody, I don't know if you believe this, but I believe this, that each one of us is very unique, and there's nothing in this world that is, maybe we have similarity, the way we look, but we're always unique. Every single individual is unique. And think about it, people are born every single day. New problems pop up every day, and fresh voices are needed every single day. The market might be full of people, and yes, no one else has your story, your heart, your experiences, and your voice. And that's your superpower. And let's be honest, if saturation meant no opportunity, no one will ever open a new coffee shop or start a
Yeah.
YouTube channel or launch a business, isn't it? But they do. Many succeed because people don't just buy the product or the services, they buy the connection. They buy into you. You know
Mm.
what I mean? They
Yeah.
actually not buy they buy, they inspire, they've been inspired of what you do.
Mm-hmm.
So this is our business, is attraction marketing. So to anyone thinking it might be too late, I'm loving to say this. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. So start today. Start when you are not sure. Start messy. Start when you're uncertain. Start when you're overwhelmed, because you'll surprise you how much you can do as an individual. It's not about being the first. It's not about being. It's about being consistent. About being real and that courage to start. And not everybody is like that. But if you know your stronger why you're doing this in the first place, ask
Yeah.
yourself. And then that's the foundation of your business. And if you need someone to remind you of that daily, we're here. We are the one who's gonna, like what I said, hindi ako magsasawa to remind every single OFW, single mom, working parents, that there is another way. You don't need to wait until your retirement age. In here in England, my retirement age is 67. Well, I
Oh.
refuse to wait until I'm 67. Life is too short. I'm not gonna wait for that. If I have the opportunity, even if it's 10%, 20%, and for sure our business is 100%, why not grab it? Life is too short after all. And your dream life doesn't expire, neither does the potential, your potential. Saturation is not a concern for me. I know in the beginning that's my first question as well. When you look at in our mastermind, you see a lot of people actually leveraging online, and they're
Mm-hmm.
actually enjoying the fruit of their labor. The first thing in your mind is there anything left for me? And I'm sure you can relate with that, because that's the
Yeah.
first thing that I actually think or ask myself. And I actually asked I asked my mentor and my coach about that, and the same day she was laughing when she was talking to me about it. And now I totally understand. Now I go deeper about our business, why she actually laughed at me at the beginning. The online world is constantly evolving. In the first place, there is a new market, new trends, new fresh opportunity every single day. You're not selling a product, you are sharing the system. It's the system we share.
Yeah.
Our business offer a proven system, a powerful tools, and personalized mentorship to help people stand out and succeed. Everyone brings their own magic. What I mean by that, no two people are alike. Like what I said, everyone is unique. Your story, your voice, your approach is your power, is your superpower. The uniqueness keep the space open, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And also, you need to think that digital era is just getting started. I don't see ourselves going backward to typewriter. We're going to a digital era. Whether you like it or not, that's the way we're going. And we haven't even have this, scratch the surface of that.
Yeah.
The opportunity is still wide open. Not everyone will take the same path. People have different goals, styles, and strength. There room for all of us shine in our way. And not you know not on the online space is expanding daily. With over 8 billion people in the world, trust me, we haven't reached even a fraction of them. It's
Mhm.
a limitless potential and new audience daily searching for new way to earn online, that so that they can have that freedom that you also looking for in the beginning. People are waking up to the dream of time freedom and financial security, and we're here to guide them. We back them with a trusted industry giant company.
Yeah.
We're partnered with a company that been thriving in health and wellness for 50 years. 50 is not a joke. To be able to stay constantly in health and wellness industry for 50 years
Yes.
is a solid foundation, and it's global. Why are you worried? It's a global. So it means your audience is worldwide.
Mm-hmm.
So a commission plan like no other. You've never seen it before. The compensation plan is in the next level, that is actually very generous and empowering, and building building your business is truly rewarding and effortless if you really study the compensation plan. So I don't think you have to worry about that. The only worry is, for me, in my own experience, I never doubted the system. I never doubted our affiliate company. I always doubted myself, which is that's the one that you actually need to work at.
Yeah.
So if you have that backup thing behind you, and then you work out yourself your mindset, for example, how you're gonna run your business, then you have no problem. So anything that's out of your comfort zone, of course, is uncomfortable. Of course you'll get a challenges, but always remember that challenges is the one who's gonna push you through, and the one that gonna make you be successful in this business.
Wow, very well said. The way you said it, you're really passionate about our business. So in our business, we are affiliated with a 50-year-old company that gives us lucrative. Nothing can compare our compensation plan to other online business. This is very lucrative. So thank you, Reham, for this opportunity. Before we end in this go live, I would like to acknowledge my business partners, Ate Susan from San Diego, and Akram Bati. Hi, Princess. And then Annalyn Ambawas. Hello, ladies watching live from
Says, "Hi, a
Netherlands.
business accountability partner. Hi, sis. Thank you for watching."
And Malikiba, thank you for watching. Thank you for dropping by to watch us. And before we end this go live, what can you advise to our followers or audience?
Okay. I was just gonna say this all the time, and I will gonna repeat it again and again. Even no one
Yeah.
will listen to me, but I will gonna repeat it again and again. Um, Having a financial stability, or option B, is more than important of what you think. Today, job security is uncertain, inflation is rising, and the cost of living is higher than ever. Relying on one income stream is a risk, and most can't afford anymore. And believe me, being in abroad for 20 years, I know that.
Mhm.
I've been working 2 to 3 jobs and never feel that I'm financial secure. So
Mhm.
having a plan B is not a luxury. It is a necessity. It is a necessity. So an extra option means extra security, extra freedom, extra peace of mind. Start building a second option today. Your future self will thank you, and that is a necessity. I took a leap of faith into the world of online business, and I have no tech skills, I no experience, just a heart full of hope and desire for freedom. And guess what? I changed my life, and I actually forever grateful that I found this opportunity. And that's why I'm very passionate to share it to anyone that I know that they also needed this. I want to open the same door for you as I see in this opportunity that I have. We have a beautiful, supportive community of ordinary people from all walks of life. We come from different background, a nurses, a mom, OFW, working professional, building their own digital business, and creating financial freedom they deserve. And the best part, you don't need to be tech savvy or business expert. We'll guide you step by step with the training, mentorship, coaching, and the system that works. And check it out today. Take it look, check it out and take a look. No pressure, just an opportunity to see what's possible for you too. Because you deserve a life where you can work on your own terms, spend time with your loved ones, especially your children. And building that life together is a meaningful, and I can assure you, you will not regret it. Thank
Mhm.
you.
Wow, that's a good that's inspiration to everyone who's willing was who's willing to change for a better. So we are all ordinary people here, and we want to. That's why we were in abroad. Reham is a nurse working abroad, and me, I'm here, married to an American. But we want also additional source of income because our main job will pay our bills, but this side hustle will create passive income for our family, and it will give you a legacy for your kids. So thank you, Reham. And Reham just came from work. Thank you for this opportunity. So we're still working full time, but we are building this business for our goal, for our future. So thank you everyone for watching, and thank you, Reham, again for this opportunity. Have a
It's
great,
my pleasure.
have a great Saturday and good evening to your side. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.